Hi, welcome to Vegan Finds Car Karaoke Edition. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I'm on my way over to my parents to basically the non-vegan finds. So they are going to be eating our chicken pot pie that we made. They're going to be testing it out, and you get to see what non-vegans think of vegan food. Aren't you lucky? I'm apologizing in advance for anything my mother may or may not say during this episode. Okay, we're at the non-vegan finds. That's my mom. She's got her piece in front of her. My dad's making sure she gets every bit of crust that's available. And he's now cutting a piece for himself. I apologize for the coloration, but they have these Edison bulbs here, and it is just turning everything yellow for some reason. I'm not quite sure why, but we will see. Are you waiting for Dad to eat?
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right. So we will see.
Well, the presentation is beautiful.
Dun, 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 dun.
I don't know what it is, but it is amazing.
Oh.
I absolutely...
Can you tell there's no chicken in there?
No, I thought it was.
That is the whole point. So now we're on to the next victim. What does the next victim say? He's about to take a bite. His coloration makes Donald Trump look pale. But that's the lighting, I swear. Now, my dad says he's a big fan of chicken pot pie. I, growing up, have never had chicken pot pie. So, I'll be interested to see what his opinion is.
Very good. I don't know what you did.
Well, didn't you watch the video? On how
I
to make it?
apologize, I have not yet.
It's delicious. It's just a little dry. I think it needs a little more.
Well, it's dry because this is 2 days after. Had you had it the day of, it would have been a lot different, but the crust is going to absorb a lot of the moisture.
Well,
Right. But the taste is excellent.
And can you tell if that's not chicken?
No.
So the people take human bites. So out of we do a carrot rating system. So we go 1 is bad, 1 carrot is bad, 5 carrots is excellent. How many carrots would you rate this?
you definitely get 5 carrots.
Oh my God! 5 carrots from one non-vegan, and the more critical non-vegan.
I'm going to give it 4 1/4.
4 1/4. Okay.
Because I don't have enough liquid in it.
Okay. Well, next time cook it. If you cooked it the day we brought it over, you would have been fine.
Stuart, I'm placing a second order, please.
Okay. Well, you got to talk to Doris about that. So.
When we give a brunch, I want 2.
2. That'll be
Yes.
$500.
Well, you have to ask my guests.
Well, if you're charging your guests, then probably nobody will show.
You know, I'm going to ask my son to pay it.
And I think there should be more corn.
More corn. Okay. So we got 5 carrots from this one, 4 1/4 carrots from this one. If you like these videos, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bells for notifications, and these are the non-vegan finds over here. So
Yes, we are.
Ingrid on the left, Ed on the right. If Ed looks familiar, I won't tell you how you know his face, but that's for another story. Anyway, thank you and enjoy.